Module 11, the financial assistant. It is broken up into quite a few components. We shall start off with 11.1, System Setup. 11.1.1, Setup Financial Period. The following financial periods have been used on the system. Currently, there are only one for the year 2012. The starting month is January with the end month in December. It is not yet closed, and there's no closing date, and the year end has not been processed. If you wish to close this period, you'll have to process all the year end functions. If you wish to add a new record, click over here. You can add a new period. And if you wish to reopen a certain period, select the period and then click on reopen. If you wish to delete a certain period, click on delete period. Click on done to close this. 11.1.2, maintain petty cash accounts. If you want to add a new petty cash account, you click here. The account description, who is responsible, the float amount, the transaction month for the petty cash. You can select the current year or a previous year, and then the date, the current balance. If there are voucher numbers, the first voucher number in the series to be used on the system. Only one series of numbers can be added at a time, so you can choose the first voucher and then the last voucher number. Remember to save your information, then click on done. If you want to edit a petty cash account, you click on it first and then click on edit and then maintain voucher numbers. Once you've set it up, the maintain voucher numbers will allow you to edit specific voucher numbers. Click on done. 11.1.3, maintain receipt books. Once again, if you want to add one, you click over here, you add the title, the first number and then the last number. The last number used, you can leave it as a 0 if no numbers are used in this specific receipt book. Then click on save to add the receipt book that you've just created. If you wish to maintain the receipt book numbers, you click over here. If you wish to remove a book, you select it from the list and you click on remove book. If you wish to add a new book, you click over here and it'll clear the information here for you so that you can add a new book. Then click on done. 11.1.11, maintain bank accounts. Over here you have a list of all the banks, accounts, numbers and COA. If you wish to add a new bank account, you can choose from an existing list of institutions the type of account that you have with them, then the branch name, account number, date the account was opened, last bank statement, and a few other details. Under balance details, you can choose the transaction month to start with, the current year or a previous year, and then the opening balance. The check number details, the first check number if you use a check series to be applied on the system, and then one for the last one in the system. Only one check series can be added to the system at the same time. Remember to save your information when you're done and then click on done. If you wish to edit one, you can click on the account and then click on edit account details, and again if you want to remove, click on one of them and then click on remove. If you wish to maintain your check series, here's your button here, and to maintain your deposit books, click over here. If you wish to print a list of all your bank accounts and your information, click over here Once you're finished, click on Done. To maintain your checkbooks, it's the same setup as maintain bank accounts, where you can add your bank account number and accounts itself, type of account, and then again the same option is given to us here when you maintain your deposit books for your specific bank accounts which you've created. Then once you've created your bank account, then you'll be able to change your check series and then create your deposit books. Once you're finished with all that, you can print your blank bank account list, and click on Done. If you were to click on 1.1.15, you can select and change the chart of accounts. In order for you to use the financial module, you must select a chart of accounts. So there is the Eastern Cape chart, Northern Cape, Western Cape, and then the generic one. So you need to tick one of these, save your option, and then click on. I'm not going to change that for now. Let's click on Financial Assistant menu, and we're back under Financial Assistant